I run this place, not you, fucker.
Fuck you.
Listen
Fuck
here.
you. Fuck your money.
I want you out of here.
No, fuck
You
you.
got 24 hours, fucker.
I ain't fucking out. Fuck you.
24 hours,
You're
pal.
an asshole.
24 hours, fucker.
Asshole.
24 hours.
Go.
Listen, tonight after work, I want Paul to get his pink slip. And I mean pink slip. Make it real, real red. Got it?
Got it, boss.
Let's go. Wait, just one more. Hey!
What the fuck is this shit?
All right, guys. Stay at him.
You fucking asshole.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Now get him in. Get him in. Get him in. Get him in.
He's a feisty one.
All right. All right, guys.